Hello everyone, welcome to NIMBUZ Learn. 2023 UPSC preliminary examination is here. The final day of your one long year of hard work and preparation has come this Sunday. The pressure is very high, right? Let's finally see some do's and don'ts of the exam on your exam date. Generally, at this point, all of you will have a high pressure. Some of you will get fear and doubt, and some of you will even think, oh my god, people from IIT is going to appear, doctors are going to appear, people from very renowned colleges are going to appear, and the competition is going to be very, very high. Can I tell you a secret? When you are a topper, when you are from a very highly renowned college, the pressure is already high for those people. So if you are a moderate level person who is appearing for the exam, if you are from a normal college, arts college, some arts background, Tamil literature, Tamil medium, from a remote village, you have an advantage over those people. You have an edge over those candidates. How? Those people have this pressure of achieving. They have the pressure of, they have to prove, they have to be successful. But you do not have the pressure, and when the expectation is less on you, your pressure is very, very less, and this exam is going to test your pressure level. No matter what strategy you used for preparation, no matter how you planned, or no matter what materials you used, your ability to manage those 2 hours is going to determine your success. So in that case, you are well above the people who have already achieved, who are already from very best colleges. So when you are a moderate student who is appearing, just be happy that the expectation is less, and no matter what, I am going to appear to the exams with confidence. Now, let's see the top 5 things that you have to remember before you enter your examination hall with respect to your question paper and exams. Number 1, ensure that you attend more than 90 questions, 90 plus questions, because the lesser and lesser you attempt, the chances of you becoming successful is very, very less. You're already not in the game. So attempt as many questions as possible. This is a game of elimination, game of guess. Point number 2, give importance to every question you read and answer, because around 50 questions everybody can attempt. Around 10 to 15 questions nobody can touch. In between, these 30 to 35 questions are very tricky questions, and you have to properly read the question and see the words, tricky words like none, not, except, and read the choices also. Among the 4 choices, you might know that the first choice is right, but the last choice will be both A and C are correct. In that way, you're going to give a wrong answer. So be careful in reading the question and read the options fully and then go for it. Don't be overconfident. In this way also, people who are already successful in other exams, they will be overconfident and think that I know this answer and go for a wrong option in shading. So if you are a person from a normal background, be aware that this is important to you and read the question properly, read all the options and then answer. Third important point, be careful with your shading. There are many people who lost their marks and who did not clear because of wrong shading, and don't allocate time at the end, very crucial time, for shading alone, because if you are doing shading in 10 to 15 minutes, you are tend to do mistakes. So be careful and do the shading as soon as you know the answers for sure. Point number 4, check your progress in between the exam, because it's very important to split the questions like 40 plus 40 plus 20 or 35, 35, 30 like that, and then check your progress with time. Around 40 minutes, 45 minutes, in 1 hour, how many questions I'm finishing. Or if you have to speed enough, just fasten up in the next hour. Like that, check your progress every 1 hour so that you complete all the questions on time. Point number 5, give importance to CSAT as well. It is very important. Just check all the formulas that you have to recall, and then coming to the comprehension, reading comprehension of CSAT, just don't blindly skip the reading comprehension, because sometimes RCs are very, very easy. So give importance to CSAT as well and prepare well for CSAT as well. Now let's see the top things that you have to do on your personal level. Number 1, most important point is your mindset. As I told you, this exam is going to test your pressure. How you manage those 2 hours of exam is very, very important. So keep calm, meditate 5 to 10 minutes these 2 days if possible. Take good rest and then have good food. Don't take food from outside. Do not have any kind of discussions with anybody with respect to your exam, especially with your friends. Do not have discussions with your friends, your family members, relatives. Just stay calm and then revise whatever you want to revise, or you can just simply stop studying from now itself. Keep everything that you want for your exam ready now itself. Your bag, your stationery items, your hall ticket, everything. Calculate the time from your center to your home and be prepared. On the exam date, wake up early. Don't be in a hurry and go and appear for the exam in a very calm, peaceful way. There is a gap between the first and second examination. In the gap, please do not discuss about your GS paper before you go to a CSAT examination, even with your friends or parents. And in the lunch break, take lunch from your home and have it. Don't have it from outside. Have come to this point in your examination after preparing for one long year, you are already a winner, because so much of discipline, so much of planning, so much of strategizing is required to just appear for this examination. So it is very important to have confidence on yourself. Don't get panic inside the examination hall. Appear in a very confident way, believe in yourself, and if you follow all the points I told you, just shared you in this video, and if you have this thing in your mind that you have an advantage, you have an edge over people who are already a topper, who are already successful in their respective area, in their respective stream, then you will definitely have a calm mind, you will have less pressure, and you will rock the examination. All the very best. Leave us a comment if this video was helpful to you, and let us know how you did your examination. Thank you.